Guys, I just reached 500 subscribers on YouTube. And this feeling is absolutely unreal. Trust me, the smile on my face is very real. And I know it's not 1,000,000 subscribers and it's not even 1,000 subscribers, but 530 of you guys have decided to give me a chance. And after uploading videos for over a year and a half now, editing like a gremlin at 2 a.m. in the morning, checking analytics like it's the stock market, finally, I have 500 subscribers who actually want to watch my videos, and this is unreal. This absolutely feels like a dream come true for me. And if you are a small creator who's grinding with just like 20 views and probably your mom as your only consistent viewer, don't worry. I got you. Today, I want to share with you guys 5 tips that actually helped me get a solid 500 subscriber audience base, and stick around till the very end because the last tip actually helped me change how I make videos in the first place and why my views started going up. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. Number 1, title and thumbnail. They are not optional. Let's be honest, people judge books by their covers and people judge your videos by how good your thumbnails are. I used to spend hours editing a video and then just slap on a random frame from the video as a thumbnail, and that really doesn't work. You actually have to put some amount of effort, actually a lot of effort towards your thumbnail if you really want your videos to perform well. You actually need a title that sparks curiosity and not confusion, and a thumbnail that actually punches through the scroll and makes everyone want to click on your videos. Think about this for a second. You're not just competing with other creators on YouTube. You're actually competing with Netflix, other people on Instagram, and that random person doing backflips in their thumbnails for absolutely no reason. Put in the effort behind your thumbnails as well, because it will pay off in the long run. And the better you get, you will actually rank higher in YouTube's algorithm, and more people will actually be able to see your video. It's actually pretty nice out for a change. This summer, it has been continuously raining, but it was even raining like 10 minutes ago, and I'm actually so glad that it stopped, that I can actually record the video right now. But according to the weather app, it's supposed to rain again in a couple of hours. Honestly, I wasn't even lying about the thunderstorm. It says right here, severe thunderstorm warning, and it's supposed to start raining again after 7. I better finish this video quick. Point number 2, provide value from your perspective. People don't come to YouTube to actually help you grow. They come to YouTube to maybe learn something, get inspired, or even to just find an escape. So ask yourself this: what am I giving them in return for their time? For me, value sometimes means teaching a Lightroom hack, showing behind the scenes of a B-roll sequence, or even just sharing my experience as a minimum wage worker here in Canada. The key is make sure there is something in it for the viewer, even if that's just relatability or even just a good story. Point number 3 is audio quality is more important than video quality. Okay, this might be an unpopular opinion, but it's actually very true. You can actually have the crispiest, perfect 4K footage with buttery, smooth bokeh, but if your audio sounds like it was recorded inside a tin can at a construction site, your audience will actually leave the video faster than you can actually say like and subscribe. Take for example this particular video. The video by itself actually looks pretty good with proper lighting everywhere around me, behind me. It actually looks pretty damn good. And also my audio, due to the wireless microphone, the Holyland Lark M2, actually sounds pretty decent. But if I turn this microphone off, this is how it sounds. And I know this sounds bad because I'm actually using my camera's internal microphone. And if this was the audio for this video, you guys probably wouldn't be actually watching me right now. And you'll probably run out of here before even I actually can say like and subscribe. The good news, you actually don't have to spend a fortune on getting a good audio system to record your videos. There are budget microphones on Amazon, and I'll have a few links in my description that punch way above their price point. And trust me, once you get a good microphone for your audio, you will actually be able to produce better quality content, and people will actually want to see you and actually want to listen to what you have to say for a change. Video quality will improve over time, but bad audio quality, that's just a deal breaker from day one. Point number 4, plan your videos like a lazy genius. I used to just press the record button and actually think inspiration was just going to show up. Most of the time, it doesn't. Drinking tea in the middle of the day at a really nice cafe was not a part of my plan. But I was having severe toothache last night and I googled it, and I shouldn't be having coffee. So chamomile tea is the next best option. Just a little bit of honey in it. And also she's having a mango smoothie. What would I not give to actually take a sip? But I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Now I actually spend the time. I actually write a loose script, follow it accordingly, plan the shots, plan even the transitions and the pacing of the video. And this has made my entire filming process a lot easier, the editing process a lot faster, and the final video way better. If scripting feels overwhelming to you guys, don't overthink it. Use services like ChatGPT and DeepSeek to actually help you with the writing process. Think of it like this. Treat every video you're making like a mini project. Planning out where to shoot or what to shoot actually does help in getting your videos to the next level. Now, before I reveal the last and the final point of this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys would hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It really does make a huge difference, and I'm actually trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And if you guys would subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Let's move on to the final and the most important point. Point number 5, the upload that could change everything. There was a time I would upload a video just for the sake of uploading every single week, and they felt half-baked, rushed. I wasn't even actually proud of the videos that I was making. Post something, anything, just to get it out there was not actually working out for me. So I stopped. I started treating my videos like they were the only videos that would actually change everything for me. And I started putting a lot more effort into my videos, be it the drone videos or a Lightroom hack, anything. I started making the scripts a lot more tighter, applied a lot more cinematic techniques into my video, and I started seeing results. The last few videos that I have actually posted, as you can see on the screen, are getting a lot more views than I was actually getting in the last year. And I'm getting comments from a lot of people that actually say that my videos are actually helpful to them, which actually means the world to me. If you want to take anything from this video, let it be this. Your next video on YouTube could change everything. So make the video like it actually matters. So yeah, those are the things that actually did help me out to actually make it to 500 subscribers and more. And I think I'm actually sitting at 560 right now, and that's incredible to say the least. That's all for me today, and I really want to thank you guys again for actually watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.